Hey there, fellow traders. Welcome back to Insider Financial. In this video, we will discuss the small caps on our radar. First, we want to bring another profile to your attention immediately. We profiled this one back in late November at just 36 cents. It went on a massive run throughout December and January and just recently hit $1.22 for an incredible 200% plus run over several weeks. We saw it run again in February up to $1.49. This has been one of the biggest profiles of the past year on the newsletter. Pull up SVRE immediately. It has pulled back recently with many small caps, but it may have bottomed out here around these levels. You're going to want to research it right away before the open. Founded in 2014 with a mission to make roads safer for drivers, passengers, and pedestrians alike, SaverOne develops cellular network-based technological solutions for reducing road accidents. The company's innovative system for identifying and limiting the use of certain apps on mobile devices while operating a vehicle has already been widely adopted by dozens of companies in Israel. SaverOne is also developing an additional system that can detect and warn the driver of VRUs, those are vulnerable road users and pedestrians, crossing when the driver's field of vision is extremely limited. This system is currently in advanced stages of development. The company is located in Israel and employs over 50 employees in its research and development, sales, business operations, and support departments. This one is traded on the Nasdaq since 2020. SaverOne's product portfolio addresses two main automotive segments. First, aftermarket segment, protecting existing cars, trucks, and buses, and working with vehicle fleets. Two, pre-market OEM segment, integrating SaverOne's protection technology in the vehicle assembly line. SaverOne's system is installed in vehicles to solve the problem of driver distraction as a result of drivers using distracting applications on their mobile phone while driving in a way that endangers their safety and the safety of their passengers. This phenomenon is considered one of the main causes of road accidents in the world. According to the U.S. National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, the annual cost of road accidents just in the U.S. stands at about $870 billion each year, excluding the cost of serious injury or death, with a quarter of those accidents estimated to be related to the use of mobile phones while driving. SaverOne's technology specifically recognizes the driver area in the vehicle and prevents the driver from accessing distracting applications such as messaging while allowing others, like navigation, without user intervention or consent, creating a safer driving environment. SaverOne's primary target markets include commercial and private vehicle fleets that are interested in reducing potential damages and significant cost. Vehicle manufacturers that are interested in integrating safety solutions to their vehicles, and insurance and leasing companies. SaverOne initially addresses car fleets with focus on the Israeli, European, and U.S. markets, as well as other markets around the world. SaverOne believes that ultimately increased focus on monitoring and prevention of cellular distraction systems in vehicles, in particular driven by upcoming expected EU regulation, will likely have a dramatic positive impact on the demand for its systems in the future. The company's strategy is to provide its technology for installation to customers in the aftermarket, as well as address OEM vehicle manufacturers to install the company's protection technologies during the vehicle manufacturing process. Recent developments. 1. In September 2023, SaverOne launched its first European pilot with Cemex in Spain. In October 23, SaverOne announced the win of 6 new customers covering 90 vehicles in the private bus fleet industry in Israel. In October 2023, SaverOne signed a distribution agreement with GVZ Company based in Milan. In November 2023, SaverOne launched a strategically important pilot project of 10 vehicles with Techni, the engineering company in Italy. In November 23, SaverOne advanced a new pilot with System Logistics, an Italian designer, manufacturer, and provider of automated warehousing. In January 2024, it was announced the SaverOne system will be installed across Strauss Group's entire fleet of over 80 food delivery trucks in Israel. Strauss Group is one of the largest food manufacturers in Israel. In January 2024, it was announced that SaverOne secured a new customer, Bontour, a leading private transit company in Israel, with a significant order of 300 systems. In February 2024, SaverOne announced that Egg Tours would install 300 SaverOne systems on all its buses. In February 2024, SaverOne was granted a new U.S. patent covering aspects of SaverOne's system to prevent distraction while driving. In February 2024, SaverOne announced that it launched a new pilot project in the U.S. with Motor Supply Inc., a trucking company based in Columbia, South Carolina. In March 2024, GB Tours decided to expand its installation of the SaverOne system across its full fleet of public transportation and tour buses, and also SaverOne entered into an original agreement with OEM agreement with Volvo Bus Corporation, a subsidiary of the global automotive giant Volvo Group. And then if you look at the chart, you can see SVRE is trading at key levels. This is the area where, like I said, last year it went on to make that big run on to $1.40. But don't just take our word for it. Start your research. To read our full report on SVRE, click that link in the description or go to insiderfinancial.com. There is no spam. Your info is never shared. You can unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up. Just see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial and unsubscribe. Moving on, it's all about PPI and CPI this week. The two big inflation numbers will be released on Tuesday and Wednesday. Obviously, the worst possible scenario is if one or both inflation numbers come in hot, as the Fed is ready to cut, but a hot inflation number could give the Fed pause or make the Fed push back rate cuts until after the election. The rumor on the street, at least from Bank of America, is that CPI may come in hotter than expected on Wednesday. CPI is the biggest market-moving economic event, producing a 1.2% average daily move up or down on the S&P. Wednesday is likely the day the market makes its big move. Therefore, the scenario is pretty simple. If the market likes the inflation numbers, we will fill back the carry trade cash gap at 540 on the SPY. If the market doesn't like the inflation numbers, we'll retest the carry trade crash lows at 510 on the SPY. In terms of small caps, some insider buying taking place in Standard BioTools, a $1.6 million insider buy on Friday, plus over $3 million worth of insider buying over the last week, all around $1.60 a share. Dallas Cowboys owner Jerry Jones, CRK, he's been keeps buying. Look at all this buying here, $8.04 all the way to $10.13. 23.97% of the float is short. So a lot of people betting against Jerry Jones. I don't think that's a smart move. I think we can get a major squeeze in CRK, especially if natural gas prices start rising as we head into the winter months. Zoom Info Technologies, big insider buy from the CEO, 1.5 million shares at $8.49. That is a $12.7 million buy. 8% of the float is short in ZI. DTC sold off here. We got a big insider buying from the CEO. He's been accumulating from $1.94 all the way down to $1.30. So nice buys from the CEO here on this sell-off. So certainly start paying attention to that one. Lastly, a low float play, WKEY. Shares outstanding just 1.48 million, $4 million market cap. A lot of chatter on stock twits, especially from our one of our favorite guys, Stocks Rockman. He's been talking about this one. It says here more and more and more. It says here solid close. Looking for moving up here. Surprised this isn't trending already. It's starting to trend. A lot of people talking about it. Certainly going to be on watch for tomorrow. So start paying attention to WKEY. This is a low float. Look at here. Watchers already growing here. So again, this is the one of the most talked about names on Stock Twits tonight. So pull this one up for tomorrow. And as always, good luck to all except the shorts. I will also be scanning the pre-market. If I see anything else, I will let subscribers know. However, Tuesday's primary focus is SVRE. Make sure you read our full report and do your research. At Insider Financial, we put stocks on your radar with potential outsized moves. As I repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities in the markets daily. The important thing is identifying which stocks to be in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We're looking for those momentum plays with catalysts. It's all about finding momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at Insider Financial. And to get our small cap reports, we cover low float, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium stocks, and insider buying. Click that link in the description or go to insiderfinancial.com. Just click stay updated. You can sign up with your mobile here, get text updates, or unlock to get email insights. No spam. Your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up. Just see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial and unsubscribe. Finally, thanks to Sure Thing Media for sponsoring this video on SVRE. Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. It is our opinion meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for joining us today on Insider Financial. Hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell to never miss the latest insights and strategies. Until next time, happy trading. Bye-bye.